Hi, today we will set up or learn to set up R Markdown for doing project. Suppose A want to present some conclusion of the particular dataset as you can see in the above in the front of stakeholders. So he writes some R code, statistical formula or many things he write, but here the things he wrote it is not understandable by the stakeholder. So now he want search some tools for better so that they report in a better way, and here he find the R markdown. So R markdown gives you control over code and it results. So in the screen you can see that there are three options here. Basically I have written three code here, and whenever you run the first command, what happens that it show the code and show plot, and when you run the second command, what it do, it hide the code and it only show the plot. This is very useful for the programmer who want to share some plots to the stakeholder, because showing code making no sense because it is not understand by the stakeholder. So you can do these things in R Markdown by just putting the option here echo equal to false. By default echo equal to true, but you can, if you write the echo equal to false, it hides the code but it show the result, show the plot. In the third option I wrote here include false. So what it do, it hides code also and it hides result also, plot. I will show you. So this is a file data preprocessing or markdown, and for now just ignore these things, uh, concentrate on these things. So I delete all the things here. So concentrate on this command. So I am writing here, you can create these things by just click here and click here, that's it. So I just write here the simple R code plot this code. So just I just rendered it in the HTML. So this is my rendered result. So this is by default it show the code right, like plot. This is a R code and this is the result plot. If I want to hide the, if I want to show the only result to the user, what I can do, first I am creating the R chunks. So click here and create this and write here echo echo false. Now copy this command and paste this. I just writing here some text here. So this show only plot. Now I am rendering it. This is the code and this is the plot, and this is a, so for now concentrate on this. So it hides, so this command hides the code but show the result. So it is useful, I told you in the slide. For now concentrate on the third part. I told you that include false. If I type here, if I write here code, now I rendered it. I plot here three plot here. As you can see, this is the first plot, this is a first plot, and this is a second plot, this is a second plot, this is a second plot, and I also write here the third code, but it neither show the code nor plot. Now question is arise, where should I use it? I already told you the use case of these things. Now I am telling you where I should use these things. Suppose you want to create some variable for your data analysis work. And so I saw the code here. So this is the code. So what I am doing now, I importing some data set here, Titanic data set, and I just write here summary function. This is the I want to see the head and tail. So these things we visually do in the data science work. These things is only for my purpose, to understand the data set. Showing these things to the stakeholder doesn't make sense, because stakeholders only care about the visualization part or machine learning application. They didn't need to worry about what programmer did under the background. I hope you understand what is the use case of this. The other use case you can imagine that. So by default, it for the setup the R. So this is the, so what I am doing, I use the Python reticulate package, and here I am importing the, because I don't want to show these things to the users. That's why I am writing here include false. So this, in these chunks I can import the R libraries, and in these chunks I can import the Python library. There are lots of other things you can do with the R markdown. R markdown you can render in variety of things. You can go to the R markdown. I just open the website for a little bit. If you come here, this website R markdown, you can convert your code. You can write your code. There are tons of languages is it support, like not only R or Python, but you can use other language as well, and you can convert your code into HTML, PDF file, MS Word. There are almost many things there. I hope you understand. Thank you.